Today, in a mega rally in Lakhimpur, Union Home Minister Amit Shah addressed a fervent crowd, posing direct questions to Congress leader Rahul Gandhi regarding the party's historical contributions to Assam. I want to ask Rahul Baba, what have you done for Assam from the time of your grandmother, Indira Gandhi? What have you done for Assam? Shah queried, emphasizing the need for accountability and tangible results in Assam's progress. Shah highlighted the BJP government's efforts in curbing influx into Assam, a key concern for the region. The BJP government has stopped the influx in Assam, Shah asserted, underlining the administration's proactive measures in addressing critical issues. Drawing attention to cultural recognition, Shah reminded the audience of Bhupen Hazarika's posthumous award of the Bharat Ratna, a prestigious honor bestowed during the BJP's tenure. He criticized the Congress for allegedly neglecting Assam's legends and failing to honor their contributions adequately. Furthermore, Shah accused the Congress party of not fulfilling its responsibilities towards Assam, particularly in terms of equitable development and justice for the northeastern state. He contrasted this with the BJP's track record of mega developments and transformative changes under Prime Minister Modi's leadership. Shah urged the people to support and elect Narendra Modi for a third term as Prime Minister, citing the BJP's vision and accomplishments as crucial factors in securing Assam's prosperity and progress.